Hello and welcome to Finch Farm,
the home of Everton Football Club.
It's freezing, so we better head inside.
To the right, to the right, to the right.
Joining us today is Irish and Everton goalkeeper Courtney Brosnan.
I think it was nice for me to kind of make a step up to Everton, and obviously it has a lot of history and it's a massive club here, so I was really looking forward to the chance to get more consistent minutes in the WSL.
And following her to Everton is Irish teammate Heather Payne.
I was really excited, obviously, to join Everton, but also to have a friendly face makes it, a lot easier. I've played with Courtney on the national team now for years, and we're good friends, so everyone who knows Courtney knows she's sound, yeah.
I absolutely love playing for club and for country. I think it's the greatest honour to play for Ireland, so I think every time we get to put on the shirt, it's really special, and I think to be in and around the group with the girls, it's kind of hard to describe, and I think it is a similar vibe at Everton because of the history of the club, and I feel very lucky to be able to put the shirt on and obviously represent a badge that means so much to the community and to so many people.
Although the Irish squad are very close, they sometimes face each other in the league.
I think when you get to play against your Irish teammates in the league, I think it's really exciting. It's just cool to see them in a different perspective and them playing for a different team as opposed to as being your teammate. It always makes the game a little bit more exciting, I would say.
Unless they score, of course.
I do not believe that any of my Irish teammates have scored against me in the WSL, but I could be wrong about that. I'll have to check.
In recent years, women's football has seen an exponential amount of growth.
You can see that the women's game has developed loads over the past couple of years, and I think it's only going to get better and better, I think, in terms of money and in terms of games being televised. And we went to the 2023 World Cup. It was our first World Cup as a national team, and the opening game had 80,000+ people there, which was a huge occasion for all of us, and that would have never been the case.
The Women's World Cup has seen its popularity explode, with figures of over 2 million people attending the tournament in 2023 alone.
My greatest moment on the pitch so far has been when we played Australia in the opening game of the World Cup. We were walking out in front of 80,000+ people. It was really surreal. It was something that I think we all have dreamt of as kids, and just even see all the Irish support there was incredible.